Peppa Pig and George are waiting at the station to catch a train. I wonder where the train is going to take us today, George. Oink, oink. Oh yes, George, I feel like an adventure too. I wonder if we'll meet anyone we know. I'm so excited. Can you hear the train, George? I think I can hear it. Look, it's Grandpa Pig. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George. Where do you want to go today? Hi, Grandpa Pig. Now, where shall we go? I've got a great idea. In you get. I'll go in the front carriage. Oink, oink. Right, hold on tight, you two. Choo-choo! Grandpa Pig, Peppa and George head off through the countryside. Oh, look, Grandpa, a duck pond. Out you get, Peppa. I love ducks. Quack, quack. Look, George, it has a feather on its back. And little ducks. Aren't they sweet? I'm going now, but I'll be back to pick you up in a bit. Here comes Candy Cat and Danny Dog. Maybe they've come to visit the ducks too. Hi, Peppa. Hi, George. We've come to feed the ducks. That's a big loaf of bread you have there, Candy Cat. That's because the ducks love the bread so much. Candy Cat, Danny Dog, Peppa and George throw bread for the ducks to eat. This is so much fun. I'm glad that Grandpa dropped us off here. I'm glad you're here to help us, Peppa. Danny Dog and I love feeding the ducks and watching them swim on the pond. All the ducks start to swim towards Danny Dog. The ducks must really like you, Danny Dog. Oh, look! The ducks are chasing after Danny Dog. Run, Danny, run! Peppa, why are the ducks chasing after me? I don't know, Danny Dog. Maybe they just like you the best. Oh, look! There's bread on Danny Dog's back. Oh, Danny Dog, I can see why they're chasing you. You have bread stuck to your back. Peppa, George, Candy Cat and Danny Dog all laugh. Right, we better get going. Grandpa Pig will be back to pick us up soon. Bye, Candy. Bye, Danny Dog.
Six little ducks that I once knew. Short ones, funny ones, fair ones too. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would go, wibble wobble to and fro. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack.
Here comes Grandpa Pig now. Choo-choo! We had a great time feeding the ducks on the pond, Grandpa Pig. Well, off we go to find our next adventure. Oh look, it's a fun fair. Peppa and George will have so much fun there. Look at all the rides, George. This is going to be great. Thanks, Grandpa Pig. You're the best. What shall we go on first? Look, Peppa and George are on the big wheel. They're having a great time. Oink, oink. Yay! Now they're going around and around on the big balloon ride. Oh look, it's a test your strength. George, shall we have a go? Yay! I've had so much fun today. It's been the best day ever! Look, Grandpa Pig is here to pick up Peppa and George. They sure have had a great day. Bye, Grandpa Pig. Bye, Peppa. Bye, George.
Hey kids! Today we've got Grandpa Pig's train surprises! Wow, look at the train! Choo-choo! Choo-ka-choo-ka-choo-ka-choo-ka choo-choo! And here's Peppa! Hi, Peppa says. Doesn't she look so sweet in her little red dress and black boots? And look at these amazing Play-Doh presents! I wonder what could be inside. This one's pink with a green bow. Let's have a look. Oh, 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 oh! It's a toy monkey! How cute! I bet he lives in the jungle. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, the monkey and Peppa are great friends. They can go and play together. Let's open another present. This one's green with a red bow. Oh, it looks very Christmassy. Let's have a look inside. Cute! It's a toy boat. I love to go sailing on the sea. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. How much fun! Peppa can go out sailing. Let's go, Peppa. And another present. Wow, so many presents. This one's purple with a yellow bow. Let's take the bow off. And what have we got? A football! Peppa loves ball games. And it's got spots on it too. Come on, Peppa. Wow! Let's go play football. Kick, kick, kick. And now we've got, a light blue present with a light pink bow. So pretty. I wonder what we've got. Do you know who it is? That's right. It's George Pig's dinosaur. Aww. Oh, they can go and play together. So sweet. And now we've got a pink present with a blue bow. Very pretty. Awesome! It's a basket to put all the toys in, so Peppa can keep her room nice and tidy. Come on, Peppa, let's go tidy up. And now we've got a blue present with a red bow. I wonder what could be inside. Let's take off the bow and have a look. What is it? It's a purple shopping basket. Cute. wonder what we can put in it. Let's open some more presents, Peppa, and we'll find out. That sounds like a great idea. So our next present is red with a green bow. Ooh, we can roll it along. But I wonder what it is. It's 3D and it's grapes. And the grapes are green. Yummy. Grapes are very good for you because they're a fruit. Yay, says Peppa. This is amazing. I'm so happy. I've got lots of things in my basket and I'm gonna find some more. Let's open this present. It's got a pink bow. What is it? It's an orange. Orange is a colour and orange is a fruit. So we've got 2 fruit in our basket. Yay! Mummy Pig's going to be so happy I've been shopping. And now we've got one more present left. It's yellow with a purple bow. I wonder what could be inside. Let's have a look. And oh, it's chocolate cake. Yummy in my tummy. I love chocolate cake. Yay! I'm so happy with all my shopping. Thanks everyone for helping me. And thank you, Grandpa, for driving them in the train. I'm going to go home now. Thank you, everyone. Oh, I hope you enjoyed unboxing. And I'll see you next time for more surprises. Bye.